Hello guys, I'm going to play Hunger Games in Hive. Hope you like it. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm going to click now. Okay. Good. I got a bow. I have a weapon. Okay. Bro, there's a guy. Okay, I'm going to the top. It's dangerous. I'm going to get this chest. Oh, good items. Got food. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have a weapon now. Oh, chest plate. Iron axe, good. Cobweb. I'm going to use this jump pad. It's cool. Oh, iron sword, good. And lead boots. Cobweb, okay. Okay, I have a good loot now. I'm going to the other side. Whee! Oh. Okay, another bow, arrow. Oh, there's a good chest. Ooh, TNT. Another chest. TNT again. Wow, it's cool. And I'm going to the other side again because this is too dangerous. Whoa, 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 whoa! I thought I'm going to fall, bro. Okay, I'm checking my surroundings. I'm going to again. Whee! Oh, cool crane. I'm going to fall now. I'm going to... Oh, too many webs. Oh shoot, 2 players. Run. TNT. Oh shit. I'm going to die here. No. No, please. Please. No, no. I'm dead. Okay, I'm going to spectate. Oh, she's dead. I thought they were teammates. She's good. GG's. Good game. Oh, MG, she's dancing.